Hi guys, Mitch King, market recap and trade of the day for Tuesday, April 29th. Here's the S&P 500, up half of 1%. The market's acting pretty bullish the last couple of days. Let's take a look at the problem index, which was the NASDAQ, and that's looking a little better, up 0.75%. And the next area, or a target area to look for, is to see if it makes a higher high than this 4170 number, which would only be a couple good days. And that'd be a real healthy pattern to see it move toward or over 4200 and hold. And it's done pretty much what I was looking for, to get close to that 4000 level. It did that in one day yesterday and then spiked back up. So I think we probably got a couple more short-term on the short term. I think we got a couple more up days, and look for this higher high above this 4170 and then eventually move over 4200. Eventually a lot of your oversold stocks that you're down underwater will float up as the tide moves in, as they say. Apple's been on a hot run here in the last 4 or 5 days with the earnings and a 7-for-1 split and a $30 billion buyback. And this is taken on a nice, strong pattern. This has been long, the most recently since March 25th. And let's take a longer look at this back in 2012 when it hit $700, came back to that 400 level around 380, and here we are approaching 600. So looks like we got some more upside on this, and this is a longer term hold. Netflix is surprisingly weak here in the last 6 or 7 weeks, and it came down to $300 from $460. This is a very volatile stock. Here was the all-time high back in late February around this 455 level. So I think there's a pretty good chance to rebound. It's a very volatile stock, very typical. I think we're going to be seeing this move back up. Trade of the day was SHPG. Big drop from 175 down to a 163 level. A little bit of bounce here, but not too much compared to how much it dropped. So a good trend back up here later. So big move here. That is about $12, $13 and about 8%. So you guys take care. Have a great day tomorrow, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.